Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock row in Excel when scrolling. When you lock the row in the Excel, that it stays visible when you scroll. You can use the freeze pans feature for this one. So first you need to decide which rows to lock. If you want to just lock the top row, proceed to step 2. If you want to lock multiple rows at one time, as an example, if you need to lock the second row, you simply tap on the second row. And if you need to lock the 1, 2, 3 cells, you need to select the fourth row because 1 and 2 and 3 will be locked. So as an example, I like to set the all the 3 rows for lock. So that's why I select the fourth row. Then after, you need to go to the View tab. Tap on Freeze Pans option. In the drop down menu, there are 3 options here. You can either freeze first column, or you can freeze top column, or you can freeze pans that is related to the several columns. So you need to select the freeze pans to lock multiple rows. Okay, now those columns are freeze. You can see now I am going to scroll. So these columns is nothing changed. So those are locked right now. 1 to 3 rows. So this is how you can freeze the rows in the Excel. To unfreeze the rows, you need to again go to the View tab, go to Freeze Panes, select the Unfreeze Panes. Now you can see it is unfreezed. So this is how you can lock the row in Excel when scrolling. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this.